I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I drive in, yeah. I got a brand new pair of roller skates, you got a brand new key. I got a brand new pair of roller skates.
This is it. You walk in and there's like a little walkway. Left for a little table. Got a little opening right here. We got the kitchen. Put this bag down. Pretty heavy. So there's like huge pantries, which will be nice. Coming from not having a pantry, this is going to be amazing. And then, let me close these. We have the kitchen area. Just standard stove. And over here we got the sink. It's got the nice little attachment that comes off and you can spray. And we have dishwasher, fridge. It's got an ice maker, so that's nice. We're gonna put the coffee stuff right here. This is the laundry room, which is very boring, but laundry. And you come this way. This is the living room / dining room, but we don't actually have a dining room table. We just have our bar stools. So like the television's gonna go on that wall, and then the couch, which is a sectional right here. We have some bookshelves too, and then we have like a little table that'll go behind the couch. I'll do like a tour when we actually like have furniture. So this is the outdoor area. It's really nice. It's completely closed in. It's like there's a screen here, so we can have the cats out here and they can see. There's also a door that goes into my bedroom. We also have like a storage closet out here, which is a nice addition. So over here, we have like the utility closet, just water, air. We have this little inlet that we don't know what we're gonna do with, but I mean, probably like a small bookshelf or something. I don't know. This is the second bathroom. Just pretty simple. Tub, shower, toilet, sink, me. It's also got like the medicine cabinets that they all have. Is that what from this side? Oh, that's weird. Okay, it opens from that side. All right, and then we have the first bedroom. This will be Lewis's room. Nice and big. It's got that cute little like corner over there. This is his view. Good lighting. And then this one's got a closet. Well, they all have closets. Focus. There we go. So there's that. And this is the second bedroom. This will be Lauren's room. Huge. Like this is huge for an apartment bedroom. And then hers has a really nice view of like the roundabout in our complex. So that's really nice. She also has a really nice closet for having the second bedroom. It's got the 2 levels and it's also got over here. So that's really nice. And now I'll take you to my room. This is my room. It's huge, super nice. And I have like my TV on this wall with my bed over here and then my desk and stuff over there. I have this little linen closet type of thing, which will be nice for like sheets and blankets and stuff and like overflow bathroom stuff. And then here's my bathroom. It's Really, really nice. Everything's super new and clean. I already started unpacking a few things. I need to put that together. I bought like a shower curtain and got that all set up and already, and it's got huge cabinets underneath. Like there's so much space down there. I don't even know what to do with all of it. Sorry if this is out of focus because it is completely like not wanting to focus today. So then next to my bedroom or my bathroom is my closet, which I'm so excited for. It is massive. Like literally like wall to wall. Double things. It's got it on the curve too. Got dumbbell over here. Like I am so ecstatic about this because the closet in my current bedroom is absolute trash. And then my view, I mean it's of the parking lot, but it's nice because the other side of our building is the pool, and I'd rather have the quietness of the parking lot. Let me open these ones. It's like I'm on the 3rd floor, so like if I'm just like laying in bed looking out, I won't even see all this stuff, but super nice. This is my door to the outside, which is really nice that I have my own access to. So that's a plus. All right, I don't know if these actually like come up. I'm assuming they don't. Oh, they do. That's nice. We're learning as we go. So that's pretty cool. We also have a security system, so that's what like all those things are up there. So I'm gonna start unloading the truck. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Alright, so we just finished moving stuff in, so I thought I would give like a brief overview of what everything looks like. Kitchen's still kind of a mess because we actually need to like organize it. So we have the bar stools here. This is the living room. We are going to get some form of table to put in the middle, but we just have the couch. Over here is a sectional with a little table behind, and then our bookshelves and our TV. And then we got little Miss Carol enjoying the new couch. We've got a pretty good view here, so we get a lot of natural light. So that's nice. Extra mattress and cat tree. Got the bathroom all set up. Lauren's room isn't really set up. I don't think Lewis's room is set up either. These drawers are gonna go in my room. I just need to scoot them in. This is my bedroom, which is kind of a mess. So we've got the desk over here. The mirror is gonna go like right here, and the tall drawers are gonna go here. I decided here because the door opens out, so it's not really gonna affect much. There's a cat crying somewhere. I think it's my kitty. Carol. Is that you? What are you crying for? What? What? Okay, Carol. So we've got the bed over here with the nightstands. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the corner. But I've got my TV over here, surrounded by crap. Closet I've started to get organized. So I've got like my sweatpants, tank tops, t-shirts, stuff like that over here. I've got my shirts hanging up at the top, sweaters down at the bottom. These are like my longer items. And then we got some folded stuff. Here's the bathroom. There's cat food because my cat is currently hiding out here because he wants nothing to do with this move. Let's see where he is. Hey, bud. How you doing? Enjoying the move? Yeah, he's not a fan. He is traumatized. Yeah, you. Obviously I plan on doing another showing like once we're actually like unpacked and settled in. So it's just a brief overview. This was my moving vlog, so hope you guys enjoyed it.
might call me.
Hey, Michael. I mean, Jim.
Yep. Phyllis called me Michael. And I will always and forever be haunted by that fact.
Under this tree, I think I struck...